Why, hello and welcome to Chris Mel FPV. In today's episode, we've got the Rekon3 Nano Long Range, and we're going to be taking it up with 3 different 18650 batteries right here in my hometown. Going to do a couple loops around the schoolyards, you know, the sporting event kinds. And we're gonna see how long she'll fly. I'll probably do like a little bit of slow, a little bit of normal speed, and then I'll speed it up nice and fast because nobody wants to watch 45 minutes of me flying 3 batteries with this thing. It's supposed to get like over 10 minutes a pack, right? Well, let's see it. Let's see it, man. Let's go. Let's do it. Now, the first battery we're gonna be testing out is the Samsung 25R. It's a 2,500 mAh 18650 with a 30 amp max, and we're going to be throwing it in the Nano Long Range here and taking it up. Now, this is completely stock. Nothing is changed on this one. I set it to 350 milliwatts and bound the old Tango. So let's pop this battery in and do some flying. Let's get that creamy tone action, huh? Yeah, hear the click. Let's see. Oh yeah. Brand new battery, by the way, never used, first charge, first flight. Can't even hear it. I got it 3 feet away. Can't even hear this thing. And we're up. 46% throttle, and we're moving pretty good. Got some light poles there. Those crispy long shadows now here at dusk. I'm loving that, huh? Camera's doing a weird color flashy gamma thingamabob, but looks like it's got good color. After a few tests with this stock, the next thing to do is to replace that VTX antenna with something that's got a little bit more range. Oh, we got some cord. We're still getting decent reception through all those trees there. Yeah, it's broke up, but I can fly it. But it's still got great maneuverability. Getting good range with the video reception here with this 350 milliwatt HGLRC VTX. Seems to be performing really good. Oh, I didn't like that. I got some bug on my arm, man. What's up with that? It was hard recovering out of that roll that low to the ground. I'm pretty sure I was 100% throttle to pull out of that one, especially with the battery as low as it is right now. But we should be able to take it down to about 2.9, 2.8. My test I did at home, I actually brought it down to like 2.85 without video failure. We'll see how it does today. There we are, coming up on 2.9. Let's keep it in the field I can access. In case we lose video, we're going to run this down to, if I can get it down to 2.8 without video failure, I'm going to land it and see where we're at. Oh, and there it is. Woohoo! It came back. All right, let's land it. I must have dropped it down to 2.8 or something, and the video started cutting out. Let's try that a little bit more. Oh, I don't want to crash it on the concrete. It's gonna be bad. Okay. Let's just bring it in. Yeah, it's flying so nice still. Alright, let's come over to the grass. Maybe that'll be better. But crash. I want to wear this battery out until it's completely gone. I can't believe the video came back. .9. Great little handling one though. I mean, I can go pretty quick and then come right down, go nice and slow. Terrible at orbits, as you can see. Yeah, you can really push it. Obviously, I was pretty lucky to not crash it when my video went out there for a second. I must have dropped it past 2.8. Yep. Let's just go ahead and drop her there. I'll go walk and grab it. Nice soft landing in the grass. All right, and there's the first flight with the Nano 3 long range on the Samsung 25R 18650. This one I purchased at a local battery store for about $7 or $8 for this battery. Now let's switch over to a BAK battery that I got online for about $3, maybe less. I think it was $2.99, $2.89, I can't remember. I'll post a link. They may or may not have more on the site. Okay, and for the second flight with the Rekon3 Nano Long Range, we're going to be using this BAK battery that is also a 2500 mAh and is supposed to be a 30 amp. So let's take this one up. This BAK battery that we're flying is also brand new, never used. I'm trying to take it a little bit easier on this one and see how far we can stretch this battery. See how far we can push that video transmitter as well. Do a turnaround test, see the quality. Hey, we're still doing just fine. Man, this Rekon Nano Long Range, I am glad I waited. I'm glad I pre-ordered. Very nice work, sir. And you know who I'm talking to, Mr. Dave C FPV and HGLRC. Collaborated on this one and got it together quite well. Quite well indeed. $289,283. Oh, there she goes. Let's see if I can get back. Look at that, 10.5. I got a bug in my hair. Let's land in the grass here. And I'll walk over to it. Well, that was pretty good, actually. Over 10 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, what do you know? Here it is. It's getting kind of dark, but the Rekon3 Nano Long Range, flying fantastic. And if you break it, he's got all the 3D printed parts online for you to download and to print your own. I love it. It flies fantastic. I actually like this cheap BAK battery just as much as that $8 battery. I'll put links to this one because this flew just as well as the battery with twice the price. So I dig it. I recommend it. Either download the 3D printable version. He has an entire frame that you can 3D print, and then just buy all the components that go into this one, throw it into that one, or purchase this one from his website or pretty much anywhere awesomeness is sold. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.